Despite decades of technological advancement, 90% of drug candidates still fail to make it to market. There's a staggering waste of time, money, and hope for patients in need.
Traditional preclinical tools like 2D cell culture and in vivo animal models are limited in how they capture human physiology. This results in a knowledge gap that is often identified too late in the drug development process for pharmaceutical companies to address, leading to unsuccessful outcomes.
We must modernize the tools in our drug development arsenal with preclinical models that behave more like real human organs, models that can give us data we can trust.
Our award-winning organ-on-chip system was born from a pioneering work of Professor Linda Griffin's lab at MIT. It has since evolved into a scalable, robust, and easy-to-use platform utilized by pharma, biotech, and academic labs worldwide. Combining single-organ, multi-organ, and higher throughput capability into one, PhysioMimix Core makes modeling complex human biology not just possible, but accessible.
The human body is constantly in motion, and similarly, so is our PhysioMimix system. Its precise and programmable perfusion mimics blood flow, effectively delivering nutrients and enabling dynamic shear stress, replicating key physiological conditions in a way that static models just can't match. It affects how cells grow, differentiate, and respond to treatment, driving more predictive outcomes. PhysioMimix system is a modular and versatile system designed for easy adoption and use. At the core of the system is a small benchtop controller which sits outside the incubator, making setup straightforward. You can easily manage perfusion flow rates and experimental timing using the intuitive touchscreen. Next is the docking station, which sits inside the incubator. It fits perfectly on one shelf of your standard incubator. You don't have to move it between runs, which reduces workflow disruption. Then there is the umbilical cord. The 2 or 5 meter cord goes from the back of your controller into your incubator through a side or rear port, where it connects to your docking station. Finally, the driver is quite literally where it all clicks into place. As the interface between the instrument and the plates, it helps maintain the flow and culture conditions for optimal tissue growth.
PhysioMimix Core system supports a full range of high-performance consumable plates format that meets your needs. The multi-chip design of our plates increase throughput capacity and reduce costs. Each chip is fluidically isolated to allow multiple conditions to be explored within the same plate. Our plates are PDMS-free and made of COC. This minimizes non-specific compound binding to preserve a more accurate data output.
With a standard and familiar size, our plates are not only compatible with common lab equipment, but also easier for scientists to handle, ideal for effortless OEC adoption and model customization. On top of that, the open well format allows for easy longitudinal repeat sampling while maintaining a closed sterile flow environment when in use. This also enables you to recover large volumes of tissue and media samples from each chip, facilitating highly multiplexed endpoint analysis.
We currently have 4 different plates, bespoke to your organ and tissue microenvironment needs. Our liver 12 plate houses 12 liver chips and is designed for hepatic studies. Miniaturized from the liver 12, our liver 48 plates offer 48 chips on each plate for higher throughput hepatic studies and screening assay. Our barrier plate features 12 transwell, ideal for modeling gut, lung, and other barrier tissue functions. Finally, our dual organ plate features fluidically linked liver and barrier compartments that allows for investigation of 6 conditions simultaneously on one plate. They represent connected tissue models and are perfect for studying organ-on-organ interactions. You don't need to be an expert to use PhysioMimix Core system. The PhysioMimix Core system is designed to be plug-and-play, integrate seamlessly into existing workflow. It comes ready to use, with ease to assemble components and intuitive software for effortless adoption. Any scientist with cell culture experience can quickly learn to produce 3D tissue culture on the platform and obtain robust and reliable OOC data. When you acquire your PhysioMimix Core system, you get much more than an instrument. You gain a team who are invested in your success. PhysioMimix Core is not just a research tool. is a commercial-grade platform built for real-world use. From startup biotech to global pharma, it integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. So what are you waiting for? PhysioMimix Core mimics physiology like no other. It's easy to adapt, and scale to meet your current and future needs.
Contact us today or visit our website.